Welcome to Supercars TV 99. The 2026 Ford Mustang EcoBoost RTR comes forward as a bold, modern, and performance-focused evolution of America's legendary sports car, bringing a fusion of power, design, and next-level street presence. From the first look at the bumper, the car instantly sets a strong impression with its aggressive styling, aerodynamic cuts, and RTR signature lighting. The front bumper is designed with sharper edges and a deeper chin that enhances airflow and boosts stability at high speeds. Its sporty grille design pairs with LED headlights that stretch like focused A's, giving the Mustang a fierce personality even before the engine starts. The added RTR aero elements make the bumper look muscular, race-ready, and engineered for both street thrills and track confidence. Moving to the side, the 2026 Mustang EcoBoost RTR carries a sleek, forward-leaning stance that symbolizes speed even when the car is standing. The long hood, sculpted doors, and flowing body lines reflect a mixture of elegance and aggression, while the new RTR wheels add a street performance identity. The matte-finished fenders and signature RTR side graphics make the car look unique and instantly recognizable. The lowered suspension enhances the silhouette and provides improved handling, giving the Mustang a planted look that appeals to both enthusiasts and casual viewers. Its side mirrors are designed aerodynamically, contributing to reduced drag and improved overall performance. Inside, the 2026 Mustang EcoBoost RTR offers a cockpit-focused interior built specifically for driving excitement. Ford has added modern technology with a touch of classic Mustang spirit. The digital instrument cluster displays customizable performance modes, while the large central touchscreen supports the latest sync interface for seamless navigation, entertainment, and connectivity. Premium leather-wrapped seats with RTR branding deliver comfort and a sporty feel. The steering wheel is thicker and performance-oriented, giving drivers a confident grip. Ambient lighting adds a futuristic glow, making night drives more immersive. The cabin integrates carbon fiber accents and metallic finishes, creating a luxury sport blend that enhances the overall experience. At the back, the 2026 Mustang EcoBoost RTR continues its aggressive theme with a redesigned rear bumper, diffuser, and quad exhaust system. The taillights keep the classic Mustang tri-bar design but with a sharper and brighter appearance. The muscular rear stance, combined with the RTR spoiler, boosts aerodynamics and gives the car a strong, commanding presence on the road. The exhaust note has been tuned to deliver a sporty, thrilling sound that elevates every acceleration. The rear diffuser not only enhances downforce but also completes the RTR racing look, making the car stand out even from a distance. In terms of price, the 2026 Ford Mustang EcoBoost RTR is expected to be positioned competitively within the performance sports car category. While final pricing may vary, it is anticipated to cost more than the standard EcoBoost model due to RTR performance upgrades and exclusive design features. Enthusiasts can expect premium value for money with the mix of performance, technology, and iconic styling. As for launching, the 2026 Mustang EcoBoost RTR is expected to hit the market with major excitement, attracting fans of muscle cars, performance vehicles, and next-generation automotive design. It represents a perfect blend of tradition and innovation, making it one of the most anticipated performance cars of its class.